Guys, I'm finally back. I've got a new bike that I'm actually on. A different bike. Ellie has had to have been sold because unfortunately I just fallen out of love with her. Bought this bike. It's an LXR, Electromotive LXR SE. It's a 23 plate. Look at how lovely today is. It's finally becoming summer and I can't be more happy to say that than now. Look at this. Love that. Thank you. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm finally back for the fourth time throughout this channel, and you may see something a bit different, noticeably different in fact. Ellie has had to be. Thank you very much, good sir. Yeah, Ellie has to. Oh my god. Ellie has had to have been sold because unfortunately I just fallen out of love with her. And there's just too many problems that went wrong with her. You know, she was stolen. I ran the engine. That was my fault, to be honest. I ran the engine dry of oil. So the engine pretty much just seized. I had to get that replaced. That sent me back about $1.5 grand. So I could have even gotten a newer bike, which would have been so much cheaper than just to fix this one. No, not this one. To fix her. Oh my god. Hello. Who are you stopping for? Oh. What the fuck? Okay. And then I made an I'm back video that lasted long, and then she was stolen. So there's that. Then I had to put in a couple, maybe 100 odd quid into those repairs, and then all those repairs. Oh, what the fuck? All those repairs kind of just made me think, you know, maybe it's time for a new bike, you know, because then after I got her repaired, I then started having fucking battery issues with her, and after that I kind of just went, I love this bike to bits, but like, it's just repair after repair after repair, and it's like service after service, etc, etc. Don't get me wrong, the running the oil dry was completely my fault. I'm annoyed at myself for that. I'm a bit of a fucking retard, I can't lie. But other than that, it's just like, I've had her for 1.5 years, and it's been an absolutely financial burden, to be honest with you. So I came out to the conclusion that maybe it's time for a new bike, a new fresh bike. So I bought this bike. It's an LXR an X-Motor LXR SE. It's a 23 plate, and I got it off of that LXR, which is the out on the front of it. I still need to replace those with mine. But my good friend Terry, who sold me this bike, it was his bike, and now it is mine. So from now on, my reels and my YouTube videos are going to be on this bad boy. So this is the first video of me properly back. I'm going to jinx that. I wonder if me saying that is jinxing it. Guys, I'm not back. I'm never going to be back again. So for future videos, this will be my bike. And then, yeah, like I said, until I do my A2. Oh, okay. Well, that's not what I wanted to happen at all, to be honest. What was I going to say? I think that's pretty much it, to be fair. I've been wanting to make this video for a week or two now. Blood clot. Oh, you just mount the curb, why don't you? That's fine. But yeah, I wanted to make this this video for a while now. But I had a battery issue with this bike, believe it or not. It's just the original battery that was in here was literally on its deathbed. So all I needed to do was just get that bad boy replaced. I'm going to be in this lane. So I got her a new battery and she's running smoother than ever. Would you believe that? No, I don't think you would, to be fair. Because you're stupid. You are stupid. What the fuck? It's actually such a good day today as well. Like, it's actually insane. Are we allowed to go? Anytime soon? No? There we go. I almost stalled. It's so nice to be on a sport bike finally. Whoa. It's actually so nice to be on a sport bike. I've always wanted to be on a sport bike. And I also have an aftermarket exhaust on there as well. So, okay. She's loud, as you can probably tell. She is very loud. And obviously, you know things. If it's a 125 and it has an aftermarket exhaust, she's going to be absolutely fucking obnoxious, and that's exactly what she is. But I don't care. I do not care. I may or may not have taken that roundabout a little bit too wide, but that's fine. I'm still not used to this bike yet, you know. There's still a considerable amount of, like, I don't really know what the word would be for it. I'm not used to the weight. I'm not used to, like, the sport bike position either. That's completely new to me, and obviously again I'm not used to the weight, so chucking around corners and stuff is just it's a whole new story. And I recently dropped her, so the fucking gear shifter is bent to fuck, and it's a pain in the ass to change down gears. my eyes. Excuse me. Hello. 'Cause you're in love with me. And I'm gone. Look at how lovely today is. It is finally becoming summer, and I can't be more happy to say that than now. It has been too long. Bike night's going to be starting up again soon, and I can't wait for that, because I can finally get some new pictures of this bad boy. Jesus Christ. What is going on here? Buddy, it's the fast lane, you fag. Is there going to be a police car here? Now this is the question. Why are you braking? It doesn't look like it, no. It does not look like it. This blood clot. Buddy! Buddy! Come on now! Come on now! Now! Oh, fine, I'll go whatever speed you're comfortable with going, I guess. I guess that's fine. I couldn't care less anyway. Come on. Come on. Move it, you bloody bastard. Oh, why do you have to be following me? I mean... Fucking hell, mate. Whoever that fucking driver was an absolute cockwomble. Hello, sunshine. Oh, MT-09SP that was. Don't you worry about that, my friend. Look, bro. Days. Woof. I want that right now. Give it to me. I want that all up into my face. Look at Holmes Bay in all of its glory. It's actually such a nice bay, to be honest. I'm gonna be real. It's such a, like, if it was, oh, well shit, I wasn't going that fast, to be honest with you. Oh, I wish I left a little bit later so it was like sunset. I really wish I did, because that would have been nice. That would have been very good, very nice. Look at me. Love that. Thank you. Let's go. I got interaction. To be fair, he's won in life, to be honest. go. It's a really nice red as well. Really nice red. Guys, I'm in love. I'm in love. Come back, please. Mustang Sally. Mustang Sally. Excuse me. My light's on. There you go. That's better. Very good, very nice. Yeah, low-key my eyes kind of burn in that general direction. Don't know what it is, but when I turn my head that way, it's fucking bright. Oh, that's a police car 100%. Actually, no, it wasn't plain white. That might be fine. It might be fine. No, because it had a livery on it, it couldn't be. Otherwise I'd be fraud. Oh, pardon me. Go. My chain is so loose, you can hear it. At least I can. I don't know whether or not the mic is going to pick it up. Oh, yeah, but where I bent my my gear lever in, it's now getting stuck when you push it down. So then I have to kick it up a little to then push it down to change gear, to go down a gear from a gear that was up from the gear below. You know what I'm on about. Don't lie. Don't lie. Hello. It sounds like a fucking train. Evening. I'm gonna just squeeze in, mate. I can't lie. I'm going to Beta Park so we can have a little look-see around the old motorcycle cycle. They'll look through. Lovely jubbly. Who are they looking at? Staring at me intensely. Go to a little park round to have a little conversation, if you will, of this old little bike and my cycle. Mate, don't go. Okay, mate. Nice one. Thank you very much. I deeply appreciate it. Thank you for cutting me off. This place will do. Sorry about that, love. Oh my, look at that. Absolutely banging view. Buddy. I'm definitely going the completely wrong way. I don't even know. I don't even know. Should we? Yeah, let's do it here. Let's do her here. Right next to the old sunset, eh? Oh, look how quiet it is. I'm disturbing all the peace. That's actually pretty sick, to be honest. So, basically what we do is we just lift up the old visor magenta gang. Lovely. Oh my fucking eyes! Alright, we won't look that way then. Basically, here she is. Where is she? Here she is, mate. Look at that. There she is, in her incredibly dirty glory. But we don't talk about that, do we? No. If we talk about it, then I'm going to be really fucking upset. So, here's the new bike, guys. I've had it for possibly around coming up 2 weeks now. Oh, that's actually like. See, I promise this exhaust shines in the sun. Brother, look at that. Oh. There you go, clean as clean could be, mate. Oh, goodness me, is that not hot? That's surprising. Is this hot? Oh, that's hot. That's not, is that carbon fibre then? Is that actual carbon fibre? Because this isn't hot. I mean, not really. It's like lukewarm. That could be actual carbon fibre then. Maybe not. I don't know. But here she is, guys. The new LXB 73 650R Honda Fireblade H2 series. She's doing me good, to be honest. I can't lie. Brother. What the fuck is that shit on there? That's fucking disgusting, mate. Absolutely fucking vile. I swear to you on there, they are fucking swear to you. But she's doing good. She's 14 brake horsepower, so she's 3 more brake horsepower than my last bike. I want to say more torque as well, but I don't really. What's this? Why are you here? Yeah, I think she's got more torque, but since it is a 300, no, it's like a 380 frame with a fucking 125 engine in it. She's heavy for what she needs to be. But she's rapid though. She's definitely got more power, more acceleration than Ellie did. That is for sure. But she's such a pretty bike. Such a pretty bike, especially in the light and how it's like sunny over there. I think it really hurts my eyes. I'm gonna stop looking at that way. But yeah, it's missing a little thingamabob, dookie-magizmo. Might give her an old tail tidy soon. But yeah, she runs great, doesn't she? Yes, she runs perfectly. She runs fine. Okay? Look at me, buddy. She runs fine. I look like a fucking schizophrenic to everybody in this park. But look at me, pal. Look at me. Look at me in my eyes, yeah? She runs fine. I put a new battery on her, so that's all that should matter. Yeah? She runs fine. Stop it. You're arguing with me. I know it's a... Listen, buddy. I know it's an LXR. I know it's an X-Moto. But she's running completely fucking fine, okay? Shut it. I promise I'm not schizophrenic, guys. It's okay. It's okay. But I think I'm going to end this video here. I'm finally back, guys. I'm finally back. And so is Ellie 2.0. If you guys follow my Instagram and or TikTok, then you'll know that her name is Viper. Ironically, fucking Kyle the barber, you remember Kyle? You know Kyle. He fucking reminded me that another Leximoto had to be named Viper, Leximoto Viper. But I'm sticking with it. It's the only thing I could fucking remember, to be honest. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. There will be loads more videos and content in the future now that summer is finally coming back. As you can see, the sun's sunning. Can I put one of those engines in here? Pretty please. Oh, he's fucking razzing it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.